All right, we have the euro, the all right, we have EA on the left, GA on the right. They look pretty similar. I have the same swings from the same dates marked off. They're approaching their 78 sixes. Are they going to get there? I'm not sure. That's more of a swing opportunity, but I'm seeing stuff on the lower time frames that I want to bring to light. So we're going to bring them both down to the 4 hour time frame, and we're going to look and see what we got going on. So to me, this is looking like a little distribution, okay, especially GA. EA looks a lot more sideways, but if we're going to look at EA first, since it's on the left, we're going to take it to the 1 hour, and we're going to take this fib from high to low. And it hasn't hit the 78.6 yet. So that's what I'm going to wait for personally. If I'm going to take a trade on something this week, this looks pretty good. Let this 78.6 get hit. Hopefully there's still this divergence that is there already. And then, there's probably going to be some sellers stepping in now, early sellers, let them get stopped out, and then this move down. So basically, I want a stop on high and then a move down. Not all the way up here, even though there is kind of these equal highs sitting right there. So that is risky. I want to point that out. But I still think this is a good opportunity, and then bring this down to fall out of this range right here. So I'm basically attempting to call the range getting broken out. Now, if we look at GA, we're still on the 4 hour over here on GA. If we're looking at the same type of move, right? Because they move similar. EA, I'm looking for a move up and then a move down. So on GA, I would like that similar move up and then move down. And this would be the Wyckoff spring here. So it'd be a move up, spring the highs, and then a move down. If we get that to sweep out these highs, that would be a very good sign that this is getting ready to move to the downside before even getting to the 78.6. Now, if it gets all the way up there, that's a good swing area. How I usually play swing areas is when it gets into my swing zone, I wait for the lower time frame opportunities to arise. And it's pretty much that simple. It just gives you a higher confirmation, higher probability. So this week, I'm looking for these to maybe move to the downside. Couple opportunities. This would be one. If it fails, this would be the other one. It's the same thing. This is the other opportunity on EA if this doesn't work out. So some good looks on those.